Imagine that you want to send analytics data or logs to a server, but worried about slowing down your app or losing data during a page and load. Let me show you how JavaScript sendBeacon function solves this elegantly. So what is sendBeacon? It's a simple JavaScript method for sending small amounts of data to a server asynchronously without blocking critical operation like page navigation or unloading. It's perfect for sending analytics data, crash reports, and user behavior logs when the user is leaving the page. We'll use sendBeacon to send analytics data when the user closes or navigates away from a page. In this particular use case, I'm just preparing the server endpoints, the data to send, and then the event that should be triggered when the user tries to leave the page. Inside the unload event, I'm calling the sendBeacon with two parameters. The first one is the URL of the endpoint, and the second one is the payload that respects the endpoint specification. And what it says is that when the user tries to go away from this page or kill the tab process, send all this data in the background without delaying the unload of the page. When you use it, I recommend the use of sendBeacon for sending non-critical data like logs, analytics, and especially when you need to avoid blocking the user's experience during the navigation. And you should avoid the use of it when you're sending large payloads. It's really better for small data, and especially also when you need immediate acknowledgement from the server like REST API or something else. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips in JavaScript, and let me know in the comments what other features should we explore in the next episode of Console. Thank you very much, and bye bye.